Hi guys, welcome back to my humble workshop. And today I'm going to unpack another guitar. This is a box that I received by mail. I took it from the post office more than 2 months ago, so I actually don't remember what kind of guitar is in the box. And I'm curious to find it out. Let's unbox it together now. Here is a label where the guitar arrived from. Post office tape. So let's start. Let's begin. Oh, look what we have in the box. How people pack guitars. Old newspapers. Oh, the year 2007. Such an old newspaper. The year 2006. It's so hard to grasp why people save newspapers for such a long time, almost 20 years. Who knows? Maybe they packed the guitar that long ago and it was waiting for me to buy it. This is what Belarusian newspapers look like. If you are interested in this. SB. It's like Soviet Belarus. Again, the year 2007. From the fact that all the newspapers are from approximately the same period, I would gather that this guitar was really packed that long ago. One more newspaper. It means somebody regrets that the USSR, the Soviet Union, has collapsed. Well, and eventually I can take out the guitar. So let's see. Just a traditional Soviet era guitar. I think Borisov factory. But the neck is different. I think it's kind of customized guitar. Mahogany. It's plywood veneered with mahogany. Do you think it's beautiful? To me, it resembles some piece of furniture, like a wardrobe. Maybe you don't agree with me. The guitar's body. This is spruce, solid spruce, cracked here. Its bridge is coming off. It's a very popular problem because the glue used is very substandard, and also it's bolstered here with screws, but they put them in the center of this bridge. Why it should be put somewhere here at its back side to hold it tight. I don't know why Soviet engineers decided to do this. To me it's silly, but anyway. Scissors. Here it's cracked. Traditional Soviet tuning pegs. Oh, well, guys, you might be curious what this guitar sounds like, because usually I only show guitars after having restored them. Let's try and tune it right now and listen to what it sounds like. It's so hard to turn them. I need either use pliers or lubricate it with some oil. Yeah, it works, but not very well. The action is very high. Let's try and correct the action as it's supposed to be corrected with a special tool. Here is the tool. It's very rare. I don't know why. Whenever you buy this guitar, it comes without this tool. And it doesn't work. It's stuck. So in this case, we have a decision, field-proven decision, a pencil. Just put it in here. Oh, look, now the action is all right. It should be something like this. I'll have to use pliers. It's stuck. Let's grease it and see if it helps. Pliers again. Yeah. And this is what the guitar sounds like. You like it? I'll put now the mic in front of the guitar so you can hear it. If you can hear it's out of tune. Even though I tuned it using this device, it's out of tune anyway. Because the scale length is wrong. It's also a problem for every such guitar. Let's measure it. 32.5 in here and 32 here, only 32. It's 5 millimeters long here. That's why you cannot tune this guitar at all. It's a pity, but I know how to correct it. Well, but you know, many people just play such guitars as it goes. They put everything I just did now. They put a pencil in here to adjust action. Sometimes they also put matches in here to adjust the next angle in this way. They use pliers to tune it because these machine heads don't work any other way. Yes, and then you may play songs. Usually such guitars are used when hiking, sitting around a fire, I don't know, maybe drinking vodka and singing songs. And it doesn't matter if this musical instrument works very well. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll start taking this guitar apart and then carefully restoring it. I'll cut it open, I'll change its bracing, I'll change the style of its bridge. It will be something like this. I've already started changing it. It was the same. I'll change the style of its headstock. I'll put a new set of tuning pegs. I'll work with the neck. I'll then glue it to avoid this problem. What is good about such guitars is that they're made of reasonable tone wood here. It's, even though it's plywood, it's a good quality plywood, veneered in mahogany. Here it's solid spruce. If you carefully work on such guitar's design, you will get quite good instrument in the end. Well, I think that's enough me rambling. Let's wave goodbye to each other. See you later, guys. Take care. Bye bye.